In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix no audio device installed Windows error. In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix no audio device installed Windows error, no output device found. So make sure to follow these steps carefully in order to ensure the simplicity of the process. First, check if your headset is plugged in. If it's already plugged in, you can try unplugging it and then plugging it back in. Afterward, restart your PC and turn it on again. Once you have successfully completed the steps, we can proceed to the next one. Search for Device Manager and navigate to the section labeled Audio Inputs and Outputs. Look for the name of your headphones in this section. Right-click on the name and select Update Driver. Then, choose the option to browse for drivers on your computer and click on the appropriate selection. Now, select the desired option and click Next. The driver will now be updated. However, please note that in my case, it has already been updated. Feel free to maximize the volume of your headphones. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.